how to recover line password. So if you want to recover a line password, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your line application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After opening, just simply go with login, which will be on the bottom. And if this is your main device, go with main device. Or if this is your sub device, you can go with sub. So in my case, it's a main device. Now you will have the option to log in with your QR code or log in with another method. So I'll go with another method. Now you can go and select your phone number, your Apple account, or your Google account in order to log in. So I've used my Google account to create my Line account. So in order to recover my Line account, if I don't know my password or my username, then what I need to do is just simply go with continue with Google. Now tap on continue with Google again, which will be on the bottom. You can also use your Apple if you've created your account using your Apple account, or you can go with Google. Now I'll just simply go and select my Google account that I've used while creating my Line account. Now go with continue, which will be on the bottom, and it will just sign me in. But if it doesn't work with your main device, then you can just simply go in sub device, go with login with email, which will be on the bottom, and go and enter your email or your password. Or if you don't remember your password, you can go with forgot your password right here, and then recover your password from your email. You will receive a code to your email, enter your code, and reset your password. So that's how you can recover your Line account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.